just scaled the roof, free climbed up to the peak of the roof, hooked in your harness, got rid of all of your rope slack, you're ready to start. So we're going to get our pole back to a normal position. When we get off the peak, we want to make sure that our rope is all the way fully up, as far up as we can. And basically, we're just going to slowly get ourselves to a non-slack position. So, whenever you're working on a steep roof, this is what I call a harness-reliant roof. So there is no walking on this roof without the support of the rope. If the rope wasn't hooked to me, I'd fall right off the roof. So whenever you're going up and down a really steep roof pitch like this, basically you're going to grab the rope, then you can move yourself down and allow that to reattach like that. What you don't want to do, here's another little trick, by the way, if you ever need to put your pole down for some reason. Just stick the butt of the brush in the gutter, and it should just lay on the roof. In this case, that's a pretty shallow gutter, but it should just lay on the roof nice and safe. But again, we're just going to go through going up and down the steep roof real quick. So again, if I'm going down the roof, I want to hold it about an arm's length or so. And I'm only going to allow myself to go down a couple of feet at a time. I'm not going to try to do this super quick. So when I'm going back up the roof, watch, holding the rope, because the moment that I release this, what's holding me to the roof right now is my arm strength. So I'm going to do this up and down a few times. Okay, now down.